In this video, we're going to show you what to do when your Xbox One won't read a disc. It could be because the disc is scratched or cracked, there's a buildup of dirt, hair, or other debris, or the Xbox One disk drive itself is not working or is damaged. Here's how to fix it. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the area around the disk drive and remove all dust, hair, and debris. Use compressed air to get hard-to-reach dust in the nooks of the disk drive opening, but you should always keep the can of compressed air right side up and level when using it. Wipe down the underside of the disk. If it has any sticky or dirty spots, put a very small amount of rubbing alcohol on a clean microfiber cloth. Gently wipe away the residue and be sure to completely dry off all remaining alcohol before reinserting the disk. You can also try these other troubleshooting tips. Check your hard drive space on your Xbox. Check for any software updates. If you're trying to play a Blu-ray disc, make sure the Blu-ray Player app is installed. Test another Xbox One disc to see if it's the disc or your disc drive. If it's a problem with your drive, you may need to bring it in for repair. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.